Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Honor Earbuds 3 Pro and you need to do a hard reset on them. If they are not connecting to Bluetooth or to a device, or if you're getting sound only out of one ear, the left ear or the right ear, or other issues like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of those things, and it is very easy to do. So all we need to do is we're going to put our earbuds in their case, close the case for a couple seconds, and then we're going to open the case back up. And when we open the case back up, we're going to come in here and we are going to press and hold on the reset button on the right. Just press and hold it. And it'll take about 10 seconds. And you'll know that it's working with the indicator light. You will just continue to hold until the indicator light blinks red for a couple of times. Once it's blinked red for a couple of times. You can wait a few more seconds. The reset will be complete, and then you can repair these earbuds to whatever device you would like to use them on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.